Hello, little friends. Are you ready for a super fun day? Today, we're going to visit a happy little boy named Max. Max is just like you. He loves to play, sing, and explore. But guess what? He also loves to help out at home. From making his bed to feeding his puppy, Max shows us how helping can be fun and full of smiles. So come along. Put on your happy face. Wiggle your fingers. And let's join Max on his big day of helping out. Let's go. Max yawns and stretches in his bed. Sunlight peeks through the window. The sun is shining, birds are chirping. And Max is already out of bed. He stretches his arms and gives a big smile. Max says, "Time to get moving. Today's a perfect day to help." Max pulling up his blanket and fluffing pillows. First stop, his bed. And tucks everything in just right. He takes a step back and says proudly, "Max, look, Mommy. My bed looks so neat. Can you help make your bed too?" "Great job." Max picking up socks like a game. Next, Max sees something on the floor. Socks, lots and lots of socks. He giggles and scoops them up. 1, 2, 3. Whoosh! Into the laundry basket they go. Wanna play the sock toss game too? Try tossing an invisible sock. Whee! Max wiping the table with a cloth. Now Max grabs a cloth and wipes the table clean. He hums a little song and dances side to side. Wipe, wipe, wipe away. Make it shiny, yay, yay, yay. Isn't cleaning fun when you turn it into a dance? Max scooping dog food into a bowl. Oh, someone's hungry. It's Spot, Max's wiggly puppy. Max fills his bowl, and Spot gives a happy bark. Spot, woof woof. Thanks, Max. Max laughs and gives Spot a belly rub. Helping animals is just as important too. Max outside watering flowers with Daddy. Out in the garden, Max puts on his gloves. He holds the watering can and splish, splash, he waters the flowers with Daddy. Look, a butterfly flutters by. They both wave and laugh. Can you flap your wings like a butterfly? Beautiful. Max setting the table. Back inside, Max helps set the table. Forks, spoons, plates, and cups. He knows where everything goes. Mommy smiles and says, "Mommy, thank you, Max. What a great helper." Max washing dishes in soapy water. After lunch, Max rolls up his sleeves. He washes dishes with bubbly soap. Bubble up, swish. Plates are clean and shiny, Max sings. Rub and scrub, don't let them slip. Washing dishes, flip, flip, flip. Isn't that fun? Max picking up toys and placing them in baskets. Before he plays with his blocks and bears, Max does one more helpful thing. He cleans up his toys. Clean up, let's all do our share. He sings and claps as he puts each toy away. Can you pretend to clean up your toys too? Yay, high five. Max hugs Mommy and Daddy that it's bedtime. The moon is up, and stars twinkle in the sky. Max snuggles into bed, his heart full of joy. Max whispers, "I helped out today, and it made me feel proud." Mommy and Daddy give him a big goodnight hug. And that's the end of our story, Little Helpers. Remember, whether you're picking up toys, feeding a pet, or setting the table, every little chore you do helps in a big way. So let's clap for you, the super helper. Good night, and keep helping every day. The end. If you had fun, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more fun and exciting kids stories. See you next time for another amazing adventure.